Best deals.
1. Steamer basket. Is made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel for safe steaming, cooking and long-lasting kitchen use. Expandable to fit various pot sizes, adjusts from 6 to 10.5 inches to fit small pots, pans, pressure cookers and cookware with ease. Basket perfect for steaming vegetables, momes, dumplings, eggs, seafood, baby food, washing fruits and draining. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Bathroom shelf. These are as handy in a kitchen as well as in bathroom, all it needs is a smooth surface to stick onto. Never falls off. High load bearing capacity of 5 kg. Comes with a provision to hang towel napkins, thus increasing its utility. Caddy comes with magic sticker self-adhesive strip that provides a load bearing capacity of up to 5 kg. Magic sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cleaning set. The ClickIt series is crafted with a robust stainless steel pole and premium microfiber heads, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Invest in a cleaning tool that stands up to tough tasks and won't need constant replacement. Enjoy a sustainable cleaning solution that's gentle on your home. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cheese grater. Perfect for effortlessly shredding cheese, carrots, and ginger. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pressure cooker. Promotes quick and uniform heat distribution with no hot spots for efficient and healthy cooking. Made of the safest and most durable Tripoli stainless steel. The Versatile comes with a pressure lid and a glass lid. The lids are designed to fit both the 5-liter and 3-liter Versatile pans. The Versatile can be used on induction tops. Designed to minimize physical effort and discomfort while using the pressure cooker. It delivers a 360 degrees induction compatibility and saves 30% of your energy usage. It's durable and stays strong after years of use. It's safe and easy to use and compact to store. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ironing board. This condensed board takes ironing convenience to a whole new level with its innovative design. For a start, it folds neatly in half and comes with its own hanging hook that can be mounted onto a wall or door, making it really compact and easy to store. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Clothes wrap. Crafted from premium quality muslin, casement cotton fabric, this roti wrap is gentle on food, breathable, and free from harmful chemicals. It is perfect for keeping rotis, chapatis, or tortillas fresh, safe, and hygienic. Designed with a double-layer structure and side flaps, it efficiently retains heat. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Vacuum container. Lock in taste, texture, and color with this vacuum-powered airtight container set. By removing excess air, it helps slow oxidation so your food stays fresh for longer. Durable tempered glass containers that move from oven to freezer with ease. Built for daily use without absorbing stains or lingering odors over time. Heat, store, and clean in one flow. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Matka stand. Square design matki stand for kitchen gives strength to stand for matka. Matki stand for kitchen keeps steel stand for pot, water tray and glass. Stand is made of stainless steel material and stand for drinking water saves space as well as water glass stand. Designed as a water pot stand, terracotta stand, and utensil holder, this unit serves as an all-in-one rack for kitchen, pantry, or home use, streamlining space organization effortlessly. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Idli maker. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Faster cooking compared to aluminium idli cooker. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Effortlessly cook healthy dishes with multiple plates. It fits 2 plates at a time. Suitable for both gas and induction stove. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ghee container. A perfect multipurpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, etc. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean, steel oil container with a spoon and long-lasting rivet knob. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tadka pan. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes food tastier, makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Ladder. Constructed from high-strength metal with reinforced joints, this ladder delivers enhanced stability, exceptional durability, and reliable long-term performance for both everyday household tasks and professional use. Each step features a textured, anti-slip surface for enhanced grip, reducing the risk of slipping and ensuring safe climbing and standing. Collapses flat in seconds for easy storage behind doors. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ice cube trays. Is made of durable ABS, PP, and PET materials, ensuring long-lasting use. Its rectangular shape and standard size make it convenient to fit in most freezers and fridges. The tray comes with a lid, a shovel, and an inbuilt storage compartment for ice cubes, providing all the necessary accessories for ice making. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Microwave stand. A versatile solution that serves multiple purposes. Whether you need a pan rack, pot racks, microwave stand, microwave oven rack, OTG stand, or a wooden microwave stand for your kitchen platform, this stand has got you covered. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Knife sharpener. Has a cute design and a suction cup whetstone that can be installed at all times in the kitchen. The bottom has a suction cup, so you can simply drop the lever down to secure it securely. Excellent stability, it comes with 2 levels of coarse and finish for a sharper cut. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Electric mop. Delivers superior cleaning performance with a high-speed spin feature, effectively removing dirt and grime from various floor surfaces with minimal effort. Equipped with a modern Type-C charging port, the electric mop fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, while the retractable extension handle allows for comfortable cleaning without bending, making it easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful 2000 mAh battery, this electric mop offers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring you can tackle large areas without interruptions. Choose between 3 speed settings to adjust the cleaning power according to the surface and level of dirt, making it versatile for different types of floors. The automatic spin mechanism effectively scrubs and cleans a variety of surfaces, including bathrooms and kitchens, leaving floors spotless with minimal effort. Equipped with a powerful electric brush for thorough dirt removal, ensuring a deep clean and pristine finish on your floors and bathroom surfaces. Perfect for floors, tiles, and bathrooms, it features fast Type-C charging and multiple brush heads. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Blender. Is easy to operate with just one button. Tap the switch twice to turn on the device. While working, shake the bottle at 45 degrees to better mix it. The one-time stirring time is 30 seconds. The smoothie maker blender can be opened up and down. Open the lid to drink, and open the bottom to clean. After juicing, you can replace the bottom with a lid and take it away directly. This portable juicer is suitable for home, work, school, or travel. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sponges. Made from sustainable coconut fiber and biodegradable cellulose, eco-friendly, compostable and plastic-free for everyday kitchen cleaning. Soft cellulose side gently cleans delicate surfaces. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Organizer. Can hold 6 pots and 3 frying pans, accommodating all your cooking utensils and keeping your kitchen tidy. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Drain. Ideal for use in toilets, bathtubs, showers, sinks. Lightweight and durable. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Mat. Made from quality microfiber fabric with a dense high GSM weave, this bath mat offers an ultra-soft feel underfoot while ensuring high water absorbency. It quickly soaks up moisture to keep your bathroom floor dry, clean, and fresh, making it an ideal bathroom rug, shower mat. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cleaner. Its non-toxic, fast-acting formula effortlessly breaks down heavy oil, grease, soot, and daily cooking residue without harsh chemicals. Safe for all surfaces, it restores a streak-free shine to your stovetop, chimney, exhaust filters, and countertops. Maintaining a clean and hygienic kitchen environment is one of the most fundamental requirements of modern domestic life, yet it often proves to be one of the most challenging chores to master. The kitchen serves as the bustling heart of the home, a space where meals are prepared, memories are made, and families gather. However, the very activities that make the kitchen such a warm and vibrant space also lead to the rapid accumulation of stubborn messes, ranging from everyday food spills to thick layers of stubborn grease, soot, and residues that seem nearly impossible to eradicate. The modern homeowner is continually seeking a smarter, more sustainable, and highly effective alternative that bridges the gap between industrial strength cleaning power and everyday family safety. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Tumbler. With straw promises a leak-proof drinking experience. Ideal for travel, office, or home, it ensures your lassi, juice, or buttermilk stays within its confines, not on your clothes. Enjoy peace of mind knowing spills are a worry of the past, making it a must-have for your mobile lifestyle. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Vacuum cleaner. Comes with both home and car wireless options for its handheld vacuum cleaner. With powerful suction and long-lasting battery life, you can conveniently use it whenever and wherever you need. Cordless vacuum cleaner boasts a robust motor with impressive suction power, effortlessly removing various types of dirt, including hair and fine dust, to ensure your floors stay clean. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Kettle. Designed with a long gooseneck spout for smooth, controlled water flow. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Pitcher. It's durable and transparent. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Oil dispenser. Has auto open, close lid with drip-free spout. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cosmetic bag. The texture of lychee leather is delicate and comfortable to the touch. The double metal zipper, 2 ways easy opening and closing, the pulling and closing are smooth and unobstructed. Cosmetic bag features 4 compartments, allowing you to keep your makeup tools organized. Unlike traditional single-compartment cosmetic bags, it has a layered design for easy categorization and storage. The large opening design provides a hassle-free packing and easy travel experience, avoiding any cluttered mess. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Press juicer. Professional quality hand press juicer machine made of heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel, perfect for home, restaurant, bar, and family use for maximum fresh juice output. Manual juicer delivers fast and efficient juicing. Get more juice from oranges, lemons, and citrus in 1 minute without seeds or pulp for pure juice every time. Citrus juicer manual design with ergonomic rubberized handle can withstand 2300 psi, uses leverage and gravity to extract juice with minimum effort and easy operation. Hand juicer machine features 7 perfectly sized holes for seedless and pulp-free juice. Comfortable grip handle ensures fastest juicing and clean hands. Manual hand juicer does not rub the rind, giving delicious citrus juice and avoiding bitter taste, easy to clean and suitable for daily use. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Stand mixer. 1400 watts powerful motor comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl-in attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture, featuring a 100% pure copper motor for relentless planetary mixing. Equipped with a 6L stainless steel bowl, a 1.5L glass blending jar, and a meat mincer, it masters whipping, kneading, and blending with 6 speeds and pulse control. For lighter, airier tasks, the whisker attachment is utilized at higher speeds, specifically settings 5 and 6. Whipping is a technique that requires rapid, consistent agitation to incorporate air and increase the volume of ingredients like egg whites or heavy cream. The stainless steel egg whisk, often with a metal head, is designed to whip these ingredients to stiff peaks in mere minutes, ensuring voluminous meringues, mousses, and whipped creams. The pulse function adds an extra layer of control, allowing for quick, manual bursts of power. This is incredibly useful for the initial blending of ingredients, ensuring that dry components like flour and sugar do not puff out of the bowl before the mixing process begins in earnest. It is also invaluable for achieving the right consistency in other applications without overprocessing the ingredients. Beyond mere mixing and baking, the versatility of the Agaro Regency stand mixer is vastly expanded by its included attachments, most notably the metal meat grinder. Traditionally, grinding meat at home required a separate, dedicated appliance. By integrating a meat mincer, this machine transforms into a comprehensive food processing center. The metal meat grinder allows users to process fresh cuts of meat, poultry, or fish directly in their own kitchens. This provides unparalleled control over the quality, texture, and fat content of your ground meats. Whether you are preparing homemade sausages, kebabs, kibba, or perfectly minced meat for a rich bolognese sauce or keema curry, the consistent grinding capability of the metal mincer ensures professional-level results. It takes the guesswork out of the texture, allowing you to choose between coarse and fine grinds based on your culinary needs. In addition to the meat grinder, the inclusion of a 1.5-liter glass blending jar further elevates the appliance's utility. A high-quality blender is an indispensable tool in any modern kitchen, used for everything from pureeing hot soups and sauces to crushing ice for refreshing smoothies, fraps, and lassis. The 1.5L capacity is perfectly sized to handle both individual portions and larger volumes for family servings. Made from durable, thick glass, the blending jar is designed to withstand both hot and cold ingredients without the risk of warping or retaining odors. The robust stainless steel blades within the jar easily pulverize fruits, vegetables, and even nuts, extracting maximum flavor and nutrients to create velvety smooth liquids and purees. The pulse function is particularly useful here, helping to break down larger chunks before continuous blending, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture every time. Product link is given in the 31st link.